When my daddy passed away, there was nothing I could say. So mama cried her tears and I wiped them dry. She said, son, I've never known of a heart that was so broke. So let's say a prayer and send your daddy home. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. His last words were I really live, but with you I really love. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. I was looking through his stuff, a little worn and beat up. Old Dad's old guitar just lay there, covered in dust. When I held it, it felt good to know that he had held it too. And the words he wrote was his songs from Mom and you. Though it's hard to lose someone you love, his last words were I really live, but with you I really love. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. Rather live in love than to never ever love at all. Just say a prayer and you know that you be strong. 'Cause life keeps rolling on. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. His last words were I really live, with you I really love. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. Lord, it's hard to lose someone you love. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you very much indeed.